A cup, that way I can have some of this later if I need to. I think that I definitely should have took another day. Okay, y'all. So
I just wanna ball making plays.
good morning, y'all. It is Tuesday, February 4th, and I am attempting to go back to work. Honestly, last night I slept horrible. I kept tossing and turning. You know, like, my nostrils were just draining. Fell asleep with like tissues in my hand, tissues on the floor. I woke up at like 4 o'clock in the morning to use the bathroom and get Tylenol on my head. It was like all in my head. So, I don't know, I called myself putting my hair together. I really wish I would have did it at home, but it is what it is. It's 6:57. I'm gonna try to go get me like a coffee or something. And, probably just like a cheese Danish, since I have enough points for it to be free. But I have to work in the special ed room, which is called the Star Room for us. And I don't think that I really was in the mood to do that today, but I have no choice. All right, y'all, so I got me a white chocolate mocha hot. I just got a tall because I didn't really think I'd have enough time to drink all of it. Vanilla bean custard Danish, which is really, really good. And then for lunch, I just went ahead and got me an egg and cheddar protein box that I can have because I did not bring anything. I did bring my Theraflu in a cup. That way I can have some of this later if I need to, because I did take some Dayquil before I left home. So the Theraflu is supposed to, or I'm sorry, the Dayquil is supposed to last me for 4 hours. So that'll last me until about, what, 10, almost 11 o'clock. And then I can do the Theraflu at lunch if I need to. But right now, I'm just trying to make it. Yeah. Pepsi is back that way. All right, y'all. So it's been a really long day. That's what it seems like. I think that I definitely should have took another day just to get myself together. But if I had known yesterday that I would toss and turn all night, like drain snot from one side to the other, and then, you know, like get up and go to the bathroom 4 o'clock in the morning, have a headache, I would have called out. I would have. And I rarely don't do that, which is why I have so much sick time caked up over the 7 years that I've been there. And right now, I just feel it. So I'm going to do a Theraflu and then get Scott some medicine too. I'm telling y'all, this sickness is everywhere. Everywhere. So the only thing I'm going to do is like get myself together. I'm telling y'all, in order to get my water intake back, I cannot wait. Like, I feel like it's just gonna really take me to like have a good shower for the evening, some meds like Theraflu and stuff. But once I do, I gotta do a video just to show y'all that like I've got to get my water intake back. A couple years ago, I think like 1 or 2 years ago, I did a video collab where I did like a water intake, and it was just to see like how many times a day I'm actually filling up water bottles. So I really want to do that again, because as a teacher, I don't get much water. Like, I don't think about it. Like, you know? But that cold water in my body feels so good right now.
Put your body on the kitchen.
You know what? First of all, the reason why everybody's so sick is because these kids is nasty and don't wash their hands. But second of all, the weather is saying it's 66 outside. When I left work, it said 70. Inside of my house, it's reading 80, right? So, because the sun is shining, yeah, we about to cool this little house down. Ain't no way in the world. Whew, you talking about somebody hot. I had to go change my shirt. So anyways. I'm about to watch the second episode of Paradise. There you go. So I still haven't got my life together. As you can see, I'm like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I just got off the phone with my mom and my grandmother. My grandmother goes to get tested tomorrow for the flu and COVID. And then y'all act like, you know, somebody has to come back. I should have really not did it. So I'm making spaghetti. I've been sneezing like crazy. Now both nostrils are open. Hallelujah. So I'm gonna get in the shower in a little bit, just so like I have a little more comfort. And if I feel like taking a second shower, I will do just that before bed. But I did that Theraflu at like 3, maybe like 3:30. So before bed, I will definitely take some NyQuil. But I'm making the noodles right now. Pasta sauce is already in my bigger one, and then I just have to do the meat and then fix my my Texas toast. So that's what I'm about to do in life. You know, because life is just never fair. I'm telling y'all, this 6th season is just like bonkers. Like, supposed to be cold here the next 2 days. Rain next 2 days after that. Then to turn around and be like cold, but also possible snow, but rain. Who knows? Y'all just make sure you're drinking your water. I know. Hey y'all, I'm feeling a lot better. Both of my nostrils are back working, and I can feel, I just feel my nose feels like really dry and thick on the outside, but I did put some Vaseline on it this morning. Got to put my hair up and together. Tomorrow's the big day. Tomorrow I turn 31. Woo, yippee, who cares? So another day, another dollar.
Matt. 10.
Good. All right, Thomas, you're reading line 3, and then Robin, you're gonna read line 4.
10.
So you're right here. Start with the first letter sound that you hear. Good. Y'all, it's cold, right?
Yes.
Oh, you're cold?
Yeah.
Y'all, it's cold when, you know, she done turned my seat heater on. She's trying to turn into her daddy by turning my seat warmer on. But anyways, y'all, it's what, 37, feels like 20 something out here. We're about to head home and go into our warm house. And I'm gonna go ahead and get the dishes washed and find something to fix for dinner. It might be some chicken tenders. Yeah, some chicken tenders and who knows, some fries or something. I didn't thaw nothing out this morning, so I can't really make nothing. But and I refuse to come back out. It's cold. So anyways, overnight is supposed to sleet and rain and stuff like that, but so yeah, anyways, but I'm gonna pick Charles up later, and I don't know, maybe they can get something from his job instead of me having to fix something for dinner. So let me just go ahead and text him now.
Now toss the soul. Don't you look at me like that. Walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the soul. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Oh, devil on.
All right, bring him here then.
Do something about this address for you. Show everybody where we live at. Somebody come in here and smoke.
Man, give me the damn thing.
Open the deed, okay?
Like you're feeling sorry, 'cause you're not feeling sorry. Hey, hey, don't you look at me like that. When you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the soul. Don't you look at me like that. Walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the soul.
I did good.
I like him.
I did good.
Thank you. Oh no, you know you didn't do good because I picked him out.
It don't matter though. I did
I
good.
told you what I wanted. All right, y'all. So I've been in the house for, you know, like 2 hours. Let me just say that I actually wasn't in the mood to film nothing. You know what I mean? So like now I'm getting ready to go get food from the pad thai place. I really want just like hot food lately to keep, you know, my throat feeling okay. But anyways, I'm gonna get this pad thai food, and then that's supposed to be my birthday dinner. But the thing is, my birthday isn't until tomorrow. So like, it's just stupid for me to get the food today when I could have gotten it tomorrow. I really want some cupcakes. That's what I really want. Okay, y'all. So I just tried this Thai banana pudding. It's homemade. You dip it in a glaze. Yeah, it was really good, but I've never felt like this before. My birthday is like tomorrow, and I still continue to feel like crap. And I'm just like, I mean, we've ran through tissues since Friday. So all the tissues that I had in the house, gone. But I'm ready to feel better. Alright, y'all, I'm getting the food. I'm going home. I'll show you guys what it looks like, even though I get the same thing over and over and over and over, because I'm just that picky.